here, Heart and Hustle, empowering you guys to live a kick-ass life. Just wanted to shoot this quick video. Today's going to be a quick one, but it's very important because too many of us are accustomed to the way things are done now, which is all, there's an app for that. It's easy. Yo, life is hard. Life is super hard, but life is beautiful. And life is meant to be hard. The human is meant to be a hard worker. But when you find that slice that is your passion, that is your heart and hustle, that is the thing that you love to do, you don't mind working hard at all. I work 365, 724. I work every single day. I worked on my birthday. I worked on Christmas. I worked on all the holidays. But because, bro, I used to do this for free. I used to do this after work. So now, the fact that I get paid to do what I love is like, what? You get paid for that shit? Hell yeah, I'll work every day. And let me tell you, knowledge is gems. You need that knowledge because that little slice is what allows you to get to the next level, is what allows you to start your own business, is what allows you to charge more money for the same service, is what allows you to get more clients through the door, is what allows you to offer a better service, is what allows you to have better relationships with your family, with your friends, with yourself, with God. All these little gems of wisdom. And so now we go back to, okay, what does that have to do? Well, you have to dig for them. And in the process of finding that gem, that gold nugget of knowledge, you're going to have to flip a lot of dirt. A lot of dirt. And it's going to take you a long time. But dude, the time's going to pass anyways. It's going to be a year later. It is a year later from a year ago today. What progress have you made? So, number one, download the Daily Hustle Guide, which I created specifically for you, specifically for anyone that wants to live a kick-ass life and go out and do amazing things. I just don't know how. I put that piece of information out there for you. Plant the seed, but the day you plant the seed is not the day that you eat the fruit. Plant the seed, nurture it, water it, and you'll be shocked at how your life changes just by virtue of the fact that you planted the seed and you're nurturing it daily. You're watering it, you're nurturing it, you're discovering it, you're removing the weeds. This is the work that goes to you. You are the seed. So what can you do to nurture yourself to become the best version of yourself? And trust me, bro, it's not easy. Is it worth it? Fuck yeah. So I'll keep this one short. I'll keep it sweet. I love the fact that you guys are absorbing the information that I'm giving. It really it humbles me to know that I have such amazing people watching and giving me feedback. And it's dope. It's dope. And use this as a testimony because I was once, not too long ago, like, dude, who am I to put out a YouTube video? Who am I to say anything to the public? But here we are. Here we are. Still kicking ass, still putting it out, being consistent, trying every week, even if sometimes these videos suck, but fuck it, I put another one out. Hopefully you guys like them. Actually, it turns out that you guys like the ones that I think suck more than the ones that I think are good, but such is life. Let's keep on pushing, and I'll see all of you guys at the very top. Peace.